Come on. That's number 7 out of 8 that I had flying. The last one that's flying is a dark blue grizzle, and it's always never to be seen at night. It's probably perched up somewhere on the house. I've always given up on it. I thought, sod you can stay out, but it's probably wrong. But if I leave the video recording, if I leave the iPad video recording another 50 minutes, I probably still won't see it come down. But we'll see. I might leave this video running, perched up on the fence and record if that other one more bird comes down. I don't think we'll see it. Not tonight. Right, I'm going to catch this other one and put him in the box. Feed the rest of the cockbirds because the hen birds have had their food, but the rest are all waiting for some food. I'm just going to get that bird. Cockbird, hen, cockbird, cockbird. Just waiting for one more. Like I said, just got that one dark blue grizzle out. He's always out. Always waiting around for him, and I always can't be asked to wait for him. But doesn't matter. Come on in. Hen birds have had their food. They're just wanting a drink now. Come on in. Come on, miss. Hey. Come on. You would have a drink, wouldn't you, if I had the bars down? Come on. She's already had a drink, but she'll have another one. There you go. Crikey. Come on. Come on. Come on then. Come on. Come on. Last chance. Go without. These are obviously the hens. I might have already said that. Got a print cockbird and a pilot hen in here. She laid an egg yesterday. They're in here because I had them next door in a little box, but I gave up on them because it's too dark in there. and I chucked them in the top box, look. But I knew she was going to lay an egg, so I put the bowl in there, she laid it. It's alright, they can hatch them in there, I think. I'll let them. They're downstairs, I've got these ones, I think you've seen these in another video. She's got the 2 eggs now. Oh, we've got an egg! We've got an egg off the Macclesfield there, paired to that. If that egg is fertile, that is a cockbird. If butts and hiccups. Come on, Em. Oh, she wanted some more drink then. Come on. Come on in. These hens going out tomorrow. Look. She's had an ounce of food and she's left the barley out of the half an ounce of depurative. Same. She just had another drink, I knew she would. She's left some barley. What's the old chacker left? Let's have a look. She's left some barley obviously as well. These cockbirds need their half of depurative now. But look. They left the barley. They always leave the bit of barley, but they might eat that up later, so I'm going to leave them and they can eat that. I'll pretend that's all they're getting for now. That grit, where's that grit? I bought a big bag of grit and it's got aniseed in. Look at that. Oh, it smells beautiful. That was a lot cheaper than a bucket of Matrix. For about 20 kilos I think I bought this. Look at that. And they love it. They love it. Right. Thanks for watching. I might do a video tomorrow of the stock birds because I've got eggs hatched everywhere. Bar one nest. Right. See you soon. Bye for now.